So this is the project of MEMS based Android. This is the main aim of the project. So this is the block diagram of the project. So in this project we are controlling the robot with the MEMS accelerometer. So in this block diagram we have battery, power supply, that is the battery we are using for the power supply, and MEMS accelerometer number is 7660L, and we are using microcontroller here to control the motors and all. And motor driver is the, here we are using to control to motors either forward direction or left or right. Here we are using motor driver L293D IC. This is the robot station we are using. So this is total abstract, and now we are going to see about hardware session. This is the hardware part of the robot. So in this session we are using power supply. Basically this is the DC battery we are using here. This is the battery we are using, 12 volts DC battery we are using here. So, and this is the microcontroller we are using here. So the microcontroller number is L29889S52 number, and these are the pull-up resistors we are using here, and here also we are using the pull-up resistors. This is the reset circuit of the microcontroller. This is connected to 9th pin of the microcontroller, and in this reset circuit we have reset switch, then capacitor and also resistor to control the total reset circuit. And also this is the crystal oscillator. So this crystal oscillator number is frequency is 11.0592 MHz, and it consists of two capacitors. These are the two capacitors we are using. These are 33 picofarad, 32 picofarad capacitors here we are using. So from here we are connecting 4 wires to control. These 4 wires are connected to that L293D IC. This is the L293D IC we are using here. L293D IC we are using here. So, and also this is used to control the motor, the directions either forward or front, back or left or right. And these are the wheels for that robot session. So to control that total, this is the MEMS IC we are using here. This is the MEMS accelerometer IC. Okay. So this is the MEMS circuit. In this one actually we have only the SCL and SDA lines, and one is a 5 volts DC voltage we are using to control this one MEMS IC. And also after getting this 12 volts from that battery, DC battery, so we need to use 5 volts for our microcontroller and also L293D IC. This is the voltage regulator we are using, 7805 voltage regulator. This is 7805 voltage regulator. From this one we are getting 5 volts output, and also this is the filter circuit to eliminate any noise added to that voltage. So this 5 volts we are giving to this microcontroller, and also we are giving this 5 volts to this L293D IC also. And also the 12 volts what we are getting from here, we are giving the 12 volts to, this is the 12 volts we are giving to our motor circuit, and also 5 volts for our IC, L293D IC. So this is the IC used to control either forward direction or left or right. So this is the total circuit explanation. And also back side of this circuit we are using the motors. So these are the two motors we are using, gear motors we are using here to control, to run the motors, wheels of the robot either forward or back or left or right side. Now we will check the output of this robot. So to switch on the IC, then we have the switch here to on that one. Now we switched on this IC. So now we are going to run this one. So now we are moving this either front, that means we are moving that robot as front, forward, then back. We are controlling either left or right. So we are moving our robot as left. So this is the output of our controller.